for those who don't know me, my name is Yasemin, and today I created this bronzy look. If you would like to see how to create this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with an orangey colour, and I'm just going to apply that into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with one of the brown shades from the palette. It's like a warm brown shade. I'm just going to put that underneath the orange colour that we applied in the crease. Now to cut the crease, I'm going to use my Ingot Gel Liner in the shade 94, my go-to. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease. Now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced glitter glue and just apply it where we've put the gel liner. Now using the matte glitter in the shade Bronze. Now we've got the glitter and the eyeshadow packed down. We're going to go in with some eyeliner. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild H2O proof liner. And now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some lashes. Now for skin, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I'm going to use the shade F8. Now, going with my favourite concealer, the Age Rewind by Maybelline in the shade Fair Clair. I'm going to go in with a flat synthetic brush and apply the concealer under my eyes. powder, I'm going to use the Australis Fresh and Flawless in medium tan. So my face is looking a bit flat at the moment, so I'm going to go in and define my cheekbones using the MAC Give Me Sun and add some colour to my face because I'm looking a bit pale. Go under my chin as well. And on my forehead. I'm going to use this as like a blush. So this is MAC's Global Glow Mineralized Skin Finish Powder, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my MAC Hyper Real Glow palette, and I'm just going to go in between these two shades. And then apply some highlighter on my chin. Oh, maybe a bit too much. And on the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. Above the eyebrow. And I'm just going to go in with a dome little shaped brush, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the orange and then go in with the brown under my eyes. So I just went ahead and did the other eye and then put some mascara on my bottom lashes. So to finish the look, I'm going to go in with my MAC lipstick in Honey Love. So of course I forgot to film an outro to my video, but I just wanted to take the time to say thank you all so much for watching. If you had any ideas for my next video, just leave them down in the comments below. But other than that, I will see you all in my next video.